Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add WhatsApp chat button in Squarespace. So first thing what you will do is simply go to google.com and search for elf site. And just simply click on the first one or just simply go to elfsite.com. And now this will be their homepage. So guys, if you don't have an account, just simply create one and log in into an account. And after that, just simply go to the widgets over here. And now just simply click on see all widgets over here and just simply search for WhatsApp over here. And now just simply click on this one, WhatsApp chat. And after that, just simply click on this, create widget for free. And from here, you should be able to design your WhatsApp. So pretty much it will be depending on what style that you are looking for. So let's say I'm going to go for this one and click on continue with this template. And after that, just simply provide your WhatsApp number or link. And after that, just simply click on add to website for free. And now from here, just simply go ahead and click on publish on the top right corner of the screen. And now just simply select the free one over here, guys. And after that, just simply click on copy code and just simply go to your Squarespace and go to your website. And after that, I'm gonna simply click on edit over here to go to the editor page. And after that, I'm gonna go to the bottom. And from here, just simply go ahead and select a section and go for add block over here. And now just simply go for the code. And after that, just move the code over here to the safe place and click on the pencil icon and paste the code over here. And now guys, after that, you can just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen and just simply click on exit. And when we go to the preview over here on the top right corner of the screen, as you can see, we should be able to have the WhatsApp over here. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!